down here.
So, paano yon? Pwede ba din ba ako sumama doon?
But,
Hindi ako pwede sumama na.
out kasama.
Anong dadalhin mo pa? Pag, di ba, madadala ka na ng adobo, longganisa, tamis baboy. O ano pa mo yung merienda? Walang merienda doon. No stocks. Anong dadalhin mong mga snacks?
Si Tate is the driver.
No! Sa ship kayo pupunta eh.
The ship?
Opo. Oo.
Okay.
Mag-work siya doon sa ship.
How about me?
Ewan ko, gusto mo sumama eh. Walang doon, walang playground doon at saka mall.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, you're in the middle of the sea.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't need to make sandcastle.
Yeah, walang sand doon kasi nasa middle nga kayo ng sea. Oh, sa sea, opo.
Really?
Oo, boring doon, sasama ka doon. Ang gagawin mo lang doon, magsi-cellphone. Wala, magbabay ka na kay tatay.
Bye-bye.
Ano sasabihin mo kay tatay? He will be far away from you.
I want to find for you.
Sabi mo, tatay, you take care there, ha? Sabi mo,
Tata.
and you eat adobo.
Eat adobo, tatay. I want to make
Anong gagawin mo ba?
blanket.
Ano gagawin sa blanket?
I want to lay down.
Okay. Maglilay daw na siya, B. Sinayos niya yung blanket. Maglilay daw na siya. Ganyan. Parang kang old man, mahal.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Take the zombie.
Kanina, Barbie, ngayon zombie. Napaka-perfect.
Take the zombie.
Not a
Take the
Barbie.
Barbie and the zombie.
You love Tata? You're gonna miss Tata.
Yeah.
Oh.
Me too. You too.
Oh, I will go home din to my house na because Nana is pregnant na. I'm having a hard time traveling here eh.
Yeah. Stop the baby. But your
Alagaan mo yung baby ko, ah. You will be kuya, ha?
What is his name?
Ailey.
Ayin.
If it's a girl, we will call her Ailey, but if it's a boy, we will call
It's
him
not the boy.
Mateo.
Mateo.
Yeah,
Oh, Mateo is the
boy.
The
Pero
boy.
kapag girl, Ailey.
Ayin.
Mm.
Number girl.
Anong gusto mo, Mateo or Ailey?
Ayin.
Ailey, no? Ganda yon. Sabi mo kay tatay,
Tatay. I want to Ayin.
not Mateo.
I want to princess.
Princess daw yung baby.
Yes. I still princess. And number.